OmniFluo-FLIM fluorescence lifetime imaging microscope, which is designed based on a bright scientific microscope and time-correlated single-photon counting technique, can get lifetime mapping, intensity mapping and amplitude mapping individually. Position of sample can be automatically controlled by an auto XY stage at accurate micron scale. Picosecond pulsed laser diodes with different wavelengths can be selected according to customer's applications. Up to 4 lasers can be coupled with the system. CCD detector is also available when fast PLM. OmniFluo-FLIM can play an important role in materials characterization, such as semiconductor, perovskite, solar cell, quantum dot probe, and so on. Intuitive OmniFluo-FLIM software is a powerful tool for both data acquisition and analysis. PL mapping, lifetime mapping, and amplitude mapping are available by the software. 1-4 exponential fitting can help analyze different lifetime components after deconvolution fitting.